più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano.
Ultimate saucepan thing in life. They've got a lifetime guarantee. They're the best French saucepan people ever. So the whole set here is about £1,000, which is great. And then I think in the future, what I want to do is just get some casserole dishes, which are over there, and like my baking rack. I basically just want a Le Creuset kitchen. I don't want anything less than Le Creuset. No, they're right behind you actually. Look, this is the stuff. These are so heavy. $700. So I can't afford Le Creuset right now, but I'm gonna work really, really hard. And my first paycheck, I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna buy the whole pan set.
Delle belle turbando al riposo.
Hey guys, welcome to this super special edition of Mr. Postman. What do you have for me today? What is that big box? Oh my god.
The way from Sydney, Australia, mate. How you going?
Le Creuset, guys. It is Le Creuset. I am so over the moon. Le Creuset is the number one, and I literally mean the number one. Everything. It's the number one company or brand for cookware. And you know, it's so good that they even give you a lifetime guarantee that it's going to be that good. Now, that obviously does come with a bit of a price tag. Thank you very much.
All I know about Le Creuset is that it's 10 times more expensive than what you can get for the same thing in IKEA.
Stand up. Oh wow!
The 3-ply stainless steel edition.
4-piece cookware set. Now, Le Creuset is typically known for its cast iron cookware. However, if anybody out there has ever tried lifting up a cast iron anything, it's like you need some of those. So I've opted for the lighter edition, which is stainless steel edition, and it comes with 4 pieces. It's a gift set. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. And it's a 3-ply. That means that it doesn't burn the surface or the bottom of the pan so much as cheaper IKEA, say for example, saucepans will. And it also distributes the heat as well really nicely around the surface of the base of the saucepan, giving it that extra push when it comes to eating your food.
And the good thing about buying them in a collection is that it does actually work out cheaper. If you were to buy these items individually, you'd be spending about $1,000.
It is, yeah, true. You know what? The most important thing is how does it look like? Shall we open it?
Well, what I want to know before you open it is, why Le Creuset? I mean, surely there's a lot of fancy pants cookware manufacturers. Why Le Creuset?
This goes back to many, many years ago. So once I was shopping with my mum in like this massive retail store, and she was like, Le Creuset is the best saucepan you could ever buy. So since then, it's always been in my head that you need to get Le Creuset.
But she's actually right, because we actually went to David Jones, David Lloyd's, all those kind of places. And they actually said this is the number one brand.
Yeah, it is. And it's the best because it comes with a lifetime guarantee, as I've said. But also, the quality is just really good. I mean, it comes with a nice, thick stainless steel base, and it doesn't burn your food. You know, you can put it in the dishwasher, you can put it in the oven, obviously not the plastic parts, but the metal parts you can put in the oven. It's so versatile. Like, it's really worth its money.
And is it compatible with induction cooktops?
It is, exactly. So it's compatible with pretty much all types of hobs, so gas hobs, electric hobs, and induction, which is what we'll be using on, which is the most important thing for us because we needed something which was induction proof.
However, I did read that you shouldn't use the plastic stirrers or the metal stirrers. You need to use the wooden ones.
That's right. Well, I've not tested out, but from the reviews online, they have suggested only using the wooden spoons to stir or silicone-based spoons. I'm not a fan of silicone because I don't think it's healthy when it gets heated up. So I will be using wooden spoons. I do have some metal spoons, but I won't be using them on my baby. I'm sorry. I don't want to scratch this one. Oh, okay. You've got to be careful. Really, really, really careful. Oh, look at this one. There's so many. Really sexy. Alright, first things first. What?
A little bit of
what?
plastic.
Sticker.
Oh, sorry.
It's like that big. Now, I just want to make a point, okay, this is quite heavy. So the saucepans and the pots come in different sizes. This is a non-stick base frying pan. Now, with lots of other brands, they contain lots of harmful toxins and things that aren't very nice when you're cooking with high heat. Le Creuset have got a nice mission statement on their website saying they don't contain anything nasty inside their non-stick coating, which makes me feel more confident that there's not going to be anything bad coming off when I'm making some eggs.
Oh, it feels nice. Oh my god, yeah. And look, the back looks amazing.
And look, it says induction proof, grill, dishwasher. I'm not sure what that means, but I'm going to have a look and let you know what all of these signs mean.
Feels like a nice piece of kit, you know?
Yeah. Ooh, it's a nice mirror. Hello, you can see our reflection. One thing I like about this as well is inside each of the saucepans it gives you a graduated level, so it tells you how much liquid you're putting in. So it says half a litre, 1.5 litres, 1 litre.
Wow!
Which is great.
You're right, it does.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh.
I think I'm right in saying that you can put them in the oven as well, is what I read, because there is no plastic component to it, it's just metal. You can use it as a hat too.
Oh, this one's a bit too big. Probably maybe this one.
But as I said, guys, they've got a lifetime warranty and they're great for dress-up days. They're just beautiful. Like, I don't even want to use them. I'm so worried for them.
No, let's go try these out. Let's make some nice scrambled eggs. And let's see how the form holds, because that's going to be a really good challenge.
Definitely.
And we're going to let you guys know if Le Creuset is worth it.
The great thing about Le Creuset is that the heat is distributed really evenly, so you won't have an area where all the food burns. So it's really nice, really good. And going for the stainless steel option is a lot lighter than the cast iron option, which obviously is their signature dish. However, if you have not as much muscles as myself, then this is probably the best one to go for. But if you are a big gun guy, definitely go for the cast iron option. Workout, it's a workout.
This is my brand new recipe of today, which is no other than Nora's version of shakshuka. As you can see, we've got some more protein, corn, eggs, and spinach. Guaranteed to give you that healthy iron boost that you need in the morning. Cooking with Nora, what's on your plate today?
Delle belle turbando al riposo